As organizations think about digital transformation, one of the key aspects is resource efficiency, cost savings, and ultimately, is it helping them be more competitive in their own business? Because water is a core element of their business. And whether it's a utility, it could be customer satisfaction for their constituents in delivering safe water. And if it's an industrial firm, it could be about higher quality of the product they're delivering, as well as the water discharge that's helping them be compliant. So when you're looking at different aspects of transformation, do I adopt? How far do I go within my organization? I think it's good to look at the entire architecture very holistically. Do I have a workforce that is sustainable? Do I have all my learning that's sustainable? Are my architectures fully interoperable and integrated to become sustainable? I think all these pieces of information need to be looked at with a very sort of strong breadth of lens and not in a very myopic view. This is crucial to any design of your digital strategy. And part of that, achieving that, is predictability. So when you have layers of that data translated, now predictability becomes very interesting. And how can you save money with predicting data and predicting the maintenance with the data that you have? First thing is, if you're already deployed a ton of PLC network, you have SCADA systems, let's assimilate all that data. Let's make your data work for you. And let's use the power of what your data can deliver and use that in a meaningful way for insights towards predictive maintenance. And let me give you an example. So if I have an arsenic removal plant and I have several arsenic canisters, now instead of sending someone for hours driving about 100 miles to go and figure out if my arsenic has been completely filled in one canister, and before I need to switch off to another canister, if I can have proactive, continuous real-time intelligence on it, I know exactly when that switch needs to happen. I know exactly when I'm not delivering safe water and I need to make that change. And I know exactly when that treatment, or if I have to change membrane, or if I have to do any sort of shift in my chemical feed or filtration, that can be handled proactively, and I have a prediction towards that. So my maintenance is now much more structured, much more controlled, and it gives the organization a very streamlined sense of purpose in how they execute versus being very reactive, creating chaos, and not having happy customers.